Welcome back to my ADU channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the ADU construction process from the initial design all the way to creating a layout, to estimate plans, selecting a contractor, and breaking ground. I'm sure that you are going to like this video. Go ahead and turn on your notifications and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Let's get started. Many people ask, how do we get started? How do I start the construction process? What's my first step? So the initial step is basically going into the building department, the zoning department specifically, and asking questions about your setbacks, what's a maximum construction just in general, depending on your lot, because I understand that most jurisdictions, they allow you to build up to 45%. So ask those questions, go there, take as many notes as possible, and then once you have that information, grab that info and then contact a designer. Contact someone that specializes in ADUs. There's so many people on social media, on YouTube. There's so many people that are knowledgeable with this. Make sure that you contact the right person. I prefer that you contact a design build contractor, because a design build contractor is one single entity that's going to help you through the entire process. So the second step is basically working with an architect, working with a designer, create at least 2 or 3 options of the ADU that you would like to build. By building these preliminary options, floor plan layouts, right before you submit those plans to the building department, you want to know how much construction is going to cost you. So make sure that it's just a preliminary plan. So get those floor plan options, contact 3 contractors, and again, find those contractors on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Yelp. Interview those 3 contractors, provide those set of plans, and ask them to give you some estimates based on those preliminary plans. Your designer is going to provide you with the site plan, a floor plan, and elevations. At that point, you are not going to have any structural plans or any Title 24, but they should at least have an idea how much construction is going to be based on those layouts. So have those contractors give you estimates, and that's going to help you determine your budget. See how much square footage you have versus how much your construction is going to cost you, and that's going to help you determine how much it's going to cost you. If you're going over your budget, go back to that designer and have downsize your ADU, your layout. So once you have that layout, finalized, once you have 3 estimates from those 3 contractors, and if you think you are within budget, go ahead and move forward and go back to the designer, have the designer complete a full set of plans, that includes the site plan, the general notes, construction notes, green notes, existing, proposed floor plan, elevations, sections, foundation framing, details, Title 24, a full complete set of plans that you can say, okay, I'm going to submit these plans to the building department. For the most part, the designer does that for you, so you don't have to worry about that. And so move forward with that, submit those plans, and then once you get those corrections, or even during the process of designing it, go back to the contractor and tell them, look, this is what I got, give me a final estimate, because I'm ready to break ground. But at that point, you had already done your homework. You already know who you're going to work with. Make sure that you select your contractor, and I'm going to create a video of how to select the right contractor. What are the things that you should do to make sure that this is the right contractor? Have the contractor give you a final estimate what your plans are, and the plan check process about to get finalized. Once you get those permits, go back to the contractor and have the contractor give you a detailed estimate, a detailed bid, a detailed contract that outlines the timeline, that outlines the finishes, what kind of finishes you're going to be working on, he's going to be working with, the finishes selection, schedule of payment, and the timeline, obviously. So when you have that, I really recommend you to allocate at least 50 to 30% extra money on the side for unforeseen items, right? Because construction is very unpredictable, so you got to make sure that you are prepared in case of something else comes up. Again, I'm going to go step by step how to select a contractor in a different video, and the do's and don'ts. So go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, and I'm going to see you on the next one. I hope this helped. I'll talk to you later.